Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate, and if you're looking for the perfect courtyard home, I think I might have found it for you. We're at 9A Eurunderee Avenue in Seacombe Gardens, and it's absolutely smashing. Beautiful backyard, opposite a park, great on-street parking. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? So inside has got some great features. You got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a great sized living area with a kitchen with an awesome island bench and ducted reverse cycle air conditioning. And outside here you got this smashing backyard, beautiful lawn area, nice patio and gorgeous landscaping. In this beautiful weather, it's an absolute treat to be in. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.